The will was red, the land was split, one realm in name, in truth. Many were once one-handed, ruled the roads, now borders cut the fields and valleys.
From Cracov's hill to river towns, new tolls were set where none had stood. The same land fed a dozen courts, the same people paid for few.
Merchants crossed through past domains, but each new gate demanded coin. Weights and measures lost their rule, old routes grew slow, new paths disjoined.
Where one law once secured the road, now many customs took their share. Trade survived, but fractured rule made profit thin and danger near. Brother against brother stood, and with their wars the truth was clear. A divided state grows poorer still with every passing year. For markets fear uncertain law, and roads obey the strong. No realm can thrive when unity is broken for too long.
Some towns grew rich beneath their duke, granted rights to trade and fare. Others fell to passing war and paid the cost of border strife. Local lords strengthened their hold, and minted coin controlled the land. Power shifted from the realm as old to narrow guarded hands.
The peasant worked the same old fields, but now for many masters old. Tithe to church and tax to lord, and levy for a brother's war.
Harvest fed not one crown's need, but rival courts and castle walls. The land endured, but wealth was drained by endless local calls.
Brother against
Brothers stood, and through their rule the lesson grew. The land may live, the people work, yet lose what unity once knew. For strength in trade and law alike depends on stable reign, and fractured power weakens all, though no sword wins the blade. To foreign courts the pice land seemed a market split, a partner unsure. Alliances shifted with each duke, no treaty held, no rule endured. The empire weighed each prince apart, behind saw its safer shores. For trade prefers a single voice, not many rival lords.
the northern port slipped from command. Pomerania turned its gaze. Baltic trade moved past the realm along less burdened ways.
Rivers still carried grain and salt, but tolls multiplied their cost. And Poland's place in Europe's trade was weakened, not yet lost.
Brother against
Brother stood, and wealth flowed out where rule was thin. For riches follow ordered law, not lands divided from within. The state endured in fields and towns, but power paid the price, as growth was traded for survival in a realm of fractured right. Yet in the cracks of broken rule, local life began to grow. Charters granted, cities formed, new markets learned to stand alone. From ducal need and rivalry came law, craft, and urban rise. A wealth divided, uneven spread, progress born at costly price.
brother against brother stood, and history would later show a divided crown may feed its parts, but cannot truly grow.
land that worked, a people traded, awaiting